Hey guys, welcome back to uGenesys. Now, in this video, I'm going to talk about two things that I think every beginner Forex trader needs. The first thing that you need is a trade manager. You need something that will automatically calculate your lot sizes. You need something that will automatically prevent you from over trading, and you need something to manage your trades when you're cooking in the kitchen or doing something else. All right. Now, our tool, this is our trade manager software. It allows you to manage your trades very easily. So let me show you. It provides a wonderful panel that you can use to buy and sell very easily just by clicking a button. And it also automatically calculates the lot size that you should use. So maybe you want to risk 0.8% of your account. You can just type in your risk, type in your stop loss, and it will automatically calculate the lot size that you should be using. All right. You can choose to move your stop loss to break even. You can choose to close 50% of your trades. You can choose to close the trades in profit or close all the trades in loss. It's all up to you. Now, the most important feature it has is the daily equity protector. It allows you to stop you from over trading basically. So if your target is $100 for the day, once you hit $100, you can't trade anymore. That's it. Same thing for loss. If your target is $100 loss for the day and you don't want to trade anymore, once you hit that loss, it prevents you from trading the account. All right. And yeah, that's basically it. It gives you a trailing stop loss. It shows you your balance, your equity, your drawdown. It's perfect for beginners. All right, so that's one. The second tool that we have is our uGenesys trend. All right, now the biggest problem that many traders have is they don't know what to trade. They don't know when to trade. All right, now we've solved this problem with our uGenesys trend indicator. Every day it gives you an alert. So it tells you what currency pair to choose, and it tells you what time to trade. All right. Let me scroll down so you can see it. So yeah, it gives you sell alerts at different times, the best times for trading. It gives you buy alerts as well. It allows you to see the overall trend of the market, and it also gives you the currency strength. So when you look at this, you will be able to know exactly what currency pair to trade. All right. So yeah, guys, these are my two tools for Forex beginners, and I put the link to them in the description of this video. I also put the link to the tutorials that I did on how to use these two indicators. So guys, you can just click the link in the description below and you'll see everything that you need. Now, guys, you can enjoy today's video. All right. Talk soon.
Hello everyone, this is Daniel with uGenesys, and today we'll be going over a trading strategy using a simple yet very accurate indicator in TradingView. Let's start by opening up our EUR/USD chart with a 3-minute time frame. And then let's go to our indicator section and search for the indicator called Moving Cross Alerts. And keep in mind, it's a multi-time frame by chart arc. And as you can see, it has 11,411 users, which means it's a very popular indicator. So let's go ahead and add it to our chart. Let's look at some of the recent signals, and this indicator gives you signals in the form of combinations of moving averages, and that's why the signals are so very accurate. So now let's take a look at our entries. So as you can see, we have two moving average lines here, an upper line and a lower line, and you can see there are sections of the line that are green and some sections that are red, right? But what we want is to find the areas where both the upper and the lower moving averages are the same color and where they intersect at the same time. So for example, this section here. So we can see right here at this section, the indicator makes it easy for us by having a line pass through. So that way we can take our entries, all right? And if you look over here, we have a signal for a bullish position. And if you take a look at the EUR/USD 3-minute chart, the market is moving in an upward direction. So we can see that this is a very accurate indicator. And also, if you look here, you can see the sell position. and the market is moving downwards, right? So you can see that it's very accurate when you look at the different examples here. And also, let's take a look at the gold chart. Alright, so on this trigger candle, it has provided you with a sell signal to get into the trade. And as you can see from the price action, gold is trending downwards right here. And let's take a look at another example over here. And if you look right here, we have a trigger candle with a buy position, a buy signal. And the price action is moving upwards. It's trending upwards. So this is a very, very accurate indicator, guys. And so I can recommend you use this indicator by itself. You can use it using price action knowledge, or you can even use it in combination with other indicators. But it's very accurate, as you can see. And also, it doesn't matter the time frame that you use. So if you are a 1 minute trader, let's go ahead and take a look at the 1 minute time frame. So here we have a buy signal where the upper and the lower moving averages intersect and the line passes through. And as you can see, the market is trending upwards. So this indicator is very accurate, guys. Also, you can use it on any chart and for any time frame. So for example, if you were a day trader, you could try using a 15-minute time frame here. And you can play around with it and hopefully you get some very profitable results, alright? Now if you look here, we see a buy signal and the market is trending upwards, alright? And I would consider it to be much more accurate compared to some of the other indicators on TradingView, so I'd recommend checking out this one. So thank you for watching our video. Remember to like and subscribe and share with your friends, and also comment down below and let us know what you think. And goodbye for now.